Getting the ball rolling. Understanding an English idiom. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that you might have heard in conversations or seen in writings. The ball is rolling. This idiom is widely used in both casual and formal contexts, and understanding it can really help you in comprehending English better. So, let's get the ball rolling on this lesson. The ball is rolling is an idiom that essentially means a process has started and is now continuing. It's often used to indicate that after initial efforts, something is now underway and moving forward, much like how a ball, once pushed, keeps rolling on its own. This phrase can apply to projects, plans, events, or any situation where progress is being made. The phrase likely comes from the physical action of setting a ball in motion, which then continues to roll due to momentum. It's a vivid way to describe how an action, once started, can continue to develop or unfold without further prompting. The exact origins are hard to pinpoint, but it's clear that the idiom has been used in English for a long time to describe ongoing processes and actions. To help you understand how to use "the ball is rolling" in real-life contexts, here are a few examples. Now that we've finalized the project plan, the ball is rolling, and we can expect to see some progress soon. After years of preparation, they finally got the ball rolling on their dream business. I'm glad to see the ball is rolling on the new community center construction. Notice how the phrase is versatile and can be used in various situations to indicate that something has begun and is progressing. There are several other idioms and phrases that convey similar meanings. Understanding these can enrich your English vocabulary and expression. For instance, "off to a good start" implies that something has begun well. "On a roll" suggests continuous success or progress after starting. "Set the wheels in motion" means to start a process that is expected to continue. These phrases can be used interchangeably depending on the context, but they all revolve around the concept of initiating action and maintaining momentum. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, "the ball is rolling." I hope this video has illuminated this interesting idiom for you and that you can now confidently use it in your conversations and writings. Remember, learning idioms is a great way to make your English more colorful and expressive. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll continue to unravel the mysteries of the English language together.